mathematics would have been correct if u plus me equals perfect. Love is not that what we are. Thanks for being mine. I love you with all my belly. I would say hurt, but my belly is bigger. Your dad must have been a thief because he stole all the stars in the sky and put them in your eyes. If you were cheese, I would be a mouse, so I could nibble you bit by bit. If you were milk, I would be a cat, so I can drink you sip by sip. But if you were a mouse, I would still be a cat, so that I can devour you piece by piece. I love you. I want to spend every second of every day with you. If I could, I would stop eating and sleeping to devote more time to being with you. You have changed my entire outlook on love, even though I have been hurt many times. I believe in love again because I have found true love with you. Never in my life have I felt more dedicated to anything. I pledge my life and my love to you, and I promise to keep investing my time and energy into the beautiful relationship that we have together. Every day I learn something new about you and am always reminded of how amazing you are. Together we can have the most excellent adventure of all time. The quality of my life is a function of the amount of peace I infuse into it. Also, no one spends an hour with you without feeling refreshed, renewed, and repositioned for excellence. There are so many things to love about you. First off, I promise to love you forever. No one else makes my heart leap for joy with their presence. The sweetness of your love does not give any room for doubts. I will love you forever. I promise my love for you has no beginning and no end. It is cyclic like life. It is ever following like the oceans, and it is as boundless as the sky and as vast as the universe. When I see your face, I see my past, my present, my future. When I hold your hand, I feel everything inside of me expand